what should you do if you've got this incredible brand name? Nobody else used it before you did. You were the very first one. And now suddenly people, because you've been using it, people are popping up all over the place using your name. Not your personal name, but the special name that you'd come up with as brand name. Is it too late? And let's use an example. So I Googled relationship doctor. There's 500 million hits on Google. So lots of people are using this relationship doctor name. But imagine you were the very first one and you came up with it, and then people started copying you. Well, it becomes a problem as soon as people start copying you, because it's then very difficult to stop them, especially if they might be in a different city from you. So if you have customers or clients, maybe you're a business coach and you've only got local clients, it becomes really difficult to stop them. So if you've got a unique name, the first thing you should be doing is filing a trademark application, or check that nobody else has got the same thing first, and then file a trademark application, because that's really the best way to protect yourself. And the more other people spring up using the same name, the more your rights are diluted. Now, depending on what that name is, you might be able to get it. You might be able to stop these errant people from using this name. Obviously, the more of them there are, the more difficult it's going to be, but also the more costly it's going to be, because now you have to engage a lawyer to stop each of these business owners from using this name. And particularly if they've used this name for a while, they're not going to want to stop. Why would they? If you had a trademark registration, it's much easier to get them to stop. You show them your certificate, then you go, I don't know if you knew this, but I am the relationship doctor. Look, here's my trademark certificate. And most people would go, I'm sorry, I didn't realize. And they would just change their name. Very different story from you going to them and writing and saying, well, I used this name, relationship doctor, first, and you really shouldn't copy me. They're going to go, so what? You didn't protect it. And worst case is somebody else might actually register relationship doctor as a trademark and stop you from using it. And then can they do that? Well, actually, yes, they can, because they have the trademark certificate and you only have your use. You're infringing them because you're using their trademark on the same goods and services in their trademark certificate. You might be able to get their trademark removed, but legal fees, tens of thousands, maybe $100,000. You have to go to court to get that trademark removed. So if you have a unique name and people are starting to use it, it's become really urgent, and you need to see if you can get that name protected as a trademark. My name is Catherine Warburton. I am the Legal Lioness.